In this video, we will cover how to add a single product DirectCommand liquid application configuration onto the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Application, press the Add button under the Configuration tab, select Single Product Application as the configuration type. Under Select Vehicle, press the Add button. Select the correct vehicle type. Enter in the vehicle's make and model. Press Next. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the full swath width. Press Next. Enter in the correct number of boom sections. Verify that the swath width for each boom section is correct. Press the box next to NORAC UC5 if this configuration will be using it. Press the green check mark. Select the correct operating mode. Select the correct controller. Under Select Container, press the Add button. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the container's capacity. Under Units, press the drop-down arrow and select the correct units for this container. Under Container Name, press the keypad button and enter the container's name. Under Container Location, press the drop-down arrow and select between Implement or Vehicle. Press the green check mark. Select the correct ground speed sources. Verify that this is the correct configuration name and press the green check mark. As you can see, our new configuration is now present in the configurations list. We have now covered how to add a single product DirectCommand liquid application configuration onto the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.